1. Introduction to customer consulting and support. Customer consulting and support plays a crucial role in today's business landscape, where providing exceptional customer experiences is paramount to success. It involves the strategic and proactive assistance provided to customers to address their needs, resolve issues, and ensure their satisfaction throughout their journey with a company. Customer consulting and support teams act as trusted advisors, guiding customers through product or service selection, implementation, and ongoing usage. This department acts as a bridge between the customer and the company, serving as the primary point of contact for inquiries, technical assistance, and problem resolution. By offering personalized guidance and assistance, customer consulting and support professionals contribute to building strong relationships with customers, fostering loyalty, and ultimately driving business growth. In an increasingly competitive market, organizations recognize the significance of investing in robust customer consulting and support services to differentiate themselves and deliver an outstanding customer experience. Overview of customer consulting and support roles and responsibilities. Customer consulting and support roles play a crucial role in ensuring customer satisfaction and building long-term relationships with clients. These professionals are responsible for providing guidance, assistance, and resolution to customers' inquiries and issues. Their primary objective is to understand customers' needs and deliver effective solutions while maintaining a high level of professionalism and empathy. Customer consultants and support representatives act as a bridge between the customer and the company, serving as the main point of contact for all customer-related matters. They possess in-depth knowledge about the company's products or services and are adept at troubleshooting technical problems, addressing product inquiries, and providing relevant information to customers. Their responsibilities encompass a wide range of tasks, including responding to customer inquiries via various channels such as phone, email, live chat, or social media. They actively listen to customers' concerns, identify the root cause of issues, and provide timely and accurate resolutions. Additionally, they may handle customer complaints, follow up on pending cases, and escalate complex problems to the appropriate departments within the organization. Customer consultants and support representatives are also responsible for maintaining customer records, documenting interactions, and updating customer databases with relevant information. They often collaborate with cross-functional teams such as sales, product development, and technical support to ensure a seamless customer experience and effective problem resolution. Furthermore, customer consultants and support representatives play a vital role in providing product or service recommendations, upselling or cross-selling opportunities, and ensuring customer retention and loyalty. They may proactively reach out to customers to offer assistance, provide updates, or gather feedback to improve the overall customer experience. In summary, customer consulting and support roles involve a wide range of responsibilities, including addressing customer inquiries, resolving issues, maintaining records, collaborating with internal teams, and fostering customer satisfaction and loyalty. These professionals serve as the face of the company, embodying its values and dedication to delivering exceptional customer service. Importance of customer satisfaction and relationship management. Customer satisfaction is directly linked to customer loyalty and retention. When customers are satisfied with their experience, they are more inclined to continue doing business with a company, reducing customer churn and increasing customer lifetime value. Satisfied customers are also less price sensitive, making them more willing to pay a premium for quality products or services. Furthermore, effective relationship management is essential for building long-term customer relationships. By understanding and meeting the unique needs and preferences of individual customers, businesses can cultivate personalized interactions and create a sense of loyalty and trust. Strong customer relationships not only lead to repeat business but also provide opportunities for cross-selling and upselling. In summary, customer satisfaction and relationship management are integral to the success and growth of businesses. By focusing on delivering exceptional customer experiences, nurturing long-term relationships, and fostering customer loyalty, companies can gain a competitive edge, strengthen their brand, and drive sustainable growth in today's dynamic marketplace. Understanding customer needs and expectations. Understanding customer needs and expectations is crucial for any business aiming to deliver exceptional products and services. By gaining deep insights into what customers truly want and expect, companies can tailor their offerings to meet those needs effectively. This process involves actively listening to customers, conducting market research, and analyzing customer feedback and preferences. First and foremost, listening to customers is vital in understanding their needs and expectations. Engaging in open and honest conversations with customers allows businesses to gather valuable information about their pain points, desires, and priorities. By actively listening, companies can identify trends, common issues, and emerging needs, which can inform their strategic decision-making and product development processes. Market research plays a pivotal role in comprehending customer needs and expectations. This involves conducting surveys, interviews, and focus groups to gather quantitative and qualitative data. Through market research, companies can identify target demographics, understand market trends, and evaluate customer preferences. This information serves as a foundation for developing strategies and creating products and services that align with customer expectations. Analyzing customer feedback and preferences is another crucial aspect of understanding customer needs. By collecting and analyzing customer feedback through various channels, such as social media, customer surveys, and online reviews, companies can gain insights into areas for improvement and areas of success. Additionally, monitoring customer preferences and behavior can help identify emerging trends and changing expectations, enabling businesses to stay ahead of the curve and adapt their offerings accordingly. Effective communication and interpersonal skills in a customer-facing role. Communication skills are vital in customer consulting and support roles. Professionals in these positions must possess excellent verbal and written communication skills to convey information clearly and effectively. They should be able to explain complex concepts in a simple and understandable manner, actively listen to customers' concerns, and respond in a polite, professional, and empathetic manner. Interpersonal skills are equally important in customer-facing roles. Building rapport, showing empathy, and demonstrating patience are essential when dealing with customers, particularly when they are frustrated or dissatisfied. Strong problem-solving skills and the ability to remain calm and composed under pressure are also valuable attributes. In conclusion, customer consulting and support roles are critical for ensuring customer satisfaction and maintaining strong relationships. Understanding customer needs, effective communication, and interpersonal skills are key components of successful customer support. By prioritizing customer satisfaction and utilizing these skills, organizations can enhance their reputation, foster customer loyalty, and drive business success.
Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.